Adjudicate. The word adjudicate is a verb that means to make a formal judgment or decision about a dispute or problem. When someone adjudicates, they act as a judge or arbiter, carefully considering all the evidence and arguments presented to them before reaching a conclusion. Adjudication is commonly used in legal, administrative, and formal settings. Here are a few examples to help illustrate the usage of adjudicate. 1. In a court of law, a judge adjudicates cases by listening to the arguments of both the prosecution and the defense before making a final ruling. For instance, the judge may adjudicate a civil dispute between two parties, deciding who is responsible for damages. 2. In a sports competition, referees adjudicate the game by enforcing the rules and making decisions about fouls or penalties. For example, a referee may adjudicate a soccer match by awarding a penalty kick to a team if they determine that a foul occurred inside the penalty area. 3. In an academic setting, a teacher or professor may adjudicate a debate between students by evaluating their arguments and determining a winner. For instance, the teacher might adjudicate a debate on the topic of climate change by assessing the strength of each student's arguments and reasoning. 4. In an arbitration process, a neutral third party is appointed to adjudicate a dispute between two parties who have agreed to resolve their differences outside of court. The arbitrator listens to both sides and makes a binding decision. For example, a labor union and a company may agree to have an arbitrator adjudicate a contract dispute. Overall, adjudicate is a word that describes the act of making a formal judgment or decision in a fair and impartial manner, often in legal or formal contexts.